Hello everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and I want to show you a project that we're working on it. It's a commercial building, it's empty, we're here alone. And it's a VCT that we're doing a stripping and waxing. And I'm gonna change the camera around, that way you can see how it looks now, and then we're gonna show you when we get done the end result. All right, I'm gonna show you the floors here. This is dirty. As you can see here, we're working. Let me show you, that's a section that we already stripped and we still have to come back. But on this job, we got a situation. That's paint, what you see there. Let me get close to it. And we have to remove all this paint by hand. We have to go all the way around. You can see that we're scraping that, and here we already did some, but we're stripping all this floor with a black pad all the way through. And we went with that product, which is not the best floor stripper, but since we have to go straight to be able to fix this, we're gonna be using a lot of that to remove that paint. That stripper, the zip finish from Home Depot, is working amazing with that paint. Let me just see if I can hit this pretty quick here. Check this out, do you see how it's removing this? We have to do the entire thing by hand, but it's working amazing. I will give you an update in the middle, and then another one at the end. De la esquina para que se vea lo sucio. All right, let me show you how it's looking after we did all the stripping. This is wet wax right now, up to there, but this is how it's looking right now. We still have to go one more time and put some wax in. As you can see there, it looks much better. Now I'm gonna show you, that way you can see the difference. We did that. I'm gonna be working back here. I'm gonna flip the camera around, that way you can see how it used to look. We got another section of the building that I haven't done, and you will see the difference. We already did this section here, as I show you, and then I'm going to the other side of the building that we haven't done, and that's how the building used to look, as you can see there. I hope you like it, and if you need any help, please give us a call. Thank you.